Hi, my name's Haley Kuba, and I'll be talking about the applications of virtual reality art and augmented reality art. And as you can see in the background, I'll be drawing in an application called OpenBrush, which is available on the MetaQuest headsets. Virtual reality, or VR, is a fairly new digital experience that is slowly entering its way into multiple different fields with various different application purposes. With endless possibilities fostered by VR and AR environments, fields of study such as medical, architecture, business, engineering, and various other majors can potentially all have connections to virtual reality in the future. As for business, virtual reality can mainly be used in the business field for long-distance team collaborations in applications such as Gravity Sketch or online metaverse applications. Gravity Sketch is a popular application used within the product development field to virtually create a product or design layout online. With the Metaverse VR headset, distance is not an issue, allowing businesses to be more flexible and time efficient when it comes to developing a product. Developing a product virtually can save the company time. It can also save money and resources it would take to construct the beginning test prototypes from scratch. Virtual reality can greatly enhance fields such as graphic design, marketing, and ad development, since the metaverse offers little constraints to what is feasibly possible for the person to imagine. Metaverse worlds also offer businesses a new way to advertise to new or returning customers in a new, innovative, and unique manner that'll set them apart from businesses. While these virtual realm businesses can allow their employees to gain training through simulated events and situations which can boost an organization's employee service and knowledgeable in a very flexible manner. As for education, adding virtual reality into education can offer students a different hands-on approach to their daily classroom activities. With metaverse and virtual reality currently in its earlier stages of development, offering young students a chance to begin experimenting with virtual reality can lead them to creating incredible discoveries with the platform in the future. As for older students at the college or high school level, virtual reality can benefit specific majors by creating virtual labs, distance learning, and memorable experiences that can solidify information more in the student's mind. Growing up in the pandemic and taking classes, virtual reality would have been a very cool aspect to incorporate into my distance learning. As for architecture, in a very artistic and mathematical focused industry, virtual reality can be used to create possible and impossible pieces of architecture, while headsets can be used when creating or developing a plan to construct a stable building that can promote optimization of space, materials, and other things in that area. Others can use these headsets to imagine what a finished building would look like, to assist with feedback for funding of future projects. Similar to this, augmented reality can be used to help design interiors of rooms or help customers plan their rooms virtually before going through the trouble of purchasing and assembling these furniture pieces to guarantee a happy and efficient purchasing experience. Some companies that have already begun this include IKEA, and also some other fashion companies as well. You wouldn't really ever expect virtual reality clothing, but it's something that a lot of consumers actually look for in a company. As for entertainment, personally one of my favorites, with entertainment being one of the virtual reality's main uses in the current world, applications such as VR chat and online other social applications allow those who are separated by distance to have a unique experience together in the metaverse world. Along with this, the headset offers a plethora of games, or applications, and useful tools a user can change and adapt for their specific wants or needs. Also on the headset, I was really interested to find that there was a lot of applications like Microsoft Word, Google Teams, very basic computer programs as well. And as for accessibility, which I found very interesting, while testing out the headsets for the first time, I was unsure if I was going to be able to use the headset due to my poor vision. But the headset was able to alter its settings to provide a crisp, clean experience for me to draw in. Similar to this, virtual reality headsets can be used for those with accessibility issues or disabilities to help them in day-to-day tasks. With features such as text scaling and audio cues for applications, the Metaverse headset promises that anyone can experience the metaverse. And what I found really interesting about this as well is that virtual reality headsets are actually being implemented into therapy because they create these lovely sensory environments just you can be fully expressive in, and there's no limitations, and also a lot of distractions as well. Personally, I do think this is very fun, and in the future seeing a development on this field would be really, really interesting. And as to summarize it up, for the future of virtual reality, while the world of virtual reality is small currently, the possibilities for the future are seemingly endless, just like the program itself. With my research, I will dive into various outlets that the MetaQuest headset has to offer and test what is feasible in its current state. As you can see right now, this application I'm using is called OpenRush, and I have a video about it that goes a little bit more in depth, step-by-step tutorials as well. There's a partner application called MultiRush, and this application is fairly recent. It's a little bit in its beta phase, but seeing what it could potentially be in the future to help people draw and connect from place to place and just draw in one area, it could be really beneficial, and it could be an amazing experience with time in the future. But yeah, overall, thank you for listening to my video, and I hope you enjoyed the little creation I made. I'll be posting it on Sketchfab, which is another collaborative platform, so you can really experience the virtual reality 3D modeling aspect of it in your own time. And once again, thank you for watching my video.